Hey guys, in this tutorial we're going to cover how to create guitar tabs in Musescore. Musescore is a free program for music notation, and if you're not familiar with it, we recommend checking out our previous video on the topic first. To start creating a guitar tab, open the Edit menu and select Instrument or press the I key. To add a guitar, go under Pluck Strings and add Acoustic Guitar Tablature. We'll leave the tab as Tab 6 String Common. Before we begin, I want to remove the default piano. We could have also done this as we started the project, but it's helpful to explain how the instrument menu works. Select the piano and hit the Remove button. Next, click on Staff 1 and press Add Linked Staff. Then change the first one to Standard. This will give us a staff view and the tab below. Adding tabs works similar to how we previously added notes in Musescore. We just enter note input mode and select a time. Then click on the string you'll be adding a note for and it will add a new note. To change the fret, just change the number with the numbers on your keyboard. From here you can add chords and all the notes required for the entire song. That's about all that's required for creating tabs in Musescore, along with what we covered in our full Musescore tutorial. Thanks for checking out this video on creating tabs in Musescore. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. We've also left our social media links in the video description below so you can keep up to date on all our new content.